Our home, planet Earth. What do you see? Look up at the night sky. Can you see the stars? How about the moon? Maybe you see the sparkling planet Venus. You might see the red glow of Mars or the pink glow of Jupiter. Now imagine that you're in outer space, looking back at Earth. What does our planet look like? Discovering Earth. In the last 50 years, we've put people on the moon, we've placed powerful telescopes in space, we built a space station that's far above Earth's surface, and we've sent spacecraft across millions of miles of our solar system to gather information. And we now know that our planet, Earth, looks like a beautiful marble from outer space. It glows bright blue. White clouds swirl across it. And compared to the rest of our solar system, Earth is a small planet, and it is unusual in many ways. At home in the Milky Way, like the 7 other planets, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and I say Pluto, Earth circles around the sun. It is held in by its orbit and the sun's gravity. Tens and thousands of other objects circle around the sun too. They include asteroids, dwarf planets, and comets. Together, these objects, the planets, and their moons make up our solar system. The solar system, in return, is part of a group of billions of stars called the Milky Way galaxy. Beyond the Milky Way galaxy lie billions of other galaxies. Perfect for life. Even among billions of galaxies, Earth is special. It is the only planet known to support life. Water is needed for life, and Earth has a lot. More than 70% of the planet is covered by oceans. The temperature on Earth also supports life. Earth is 93 million miles away from the sun. If Earth were much closer to the sun, the planet would be too hot for life. If Earth were much farther away, it would be too cold. A blanket of gases. Earth's blanket of gases, or atmosphere, helps support life too. These gases trap heat from the sun and keep Earth from getting too cold. But at the same time, they block many harmful rays from the sun. Earth's atmosphere is made of 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. There are also small amounts of argon, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Seasons, days, and years. Earth is tilted and turns on its center or axis. The 4 seasons, spring, summer, fall, and winter, happen because of this tilt. As Earth orbits the sun, some areas of the planet receive more light than others. And when an area on Earth is tilted toward the sun, it has summer. And when an area is tilted away from the sun, it has winter. Summer in Earth's northern hemisphere is winter in Earth's southern hemisphere. A changing landscape. Earth's outer layer, or crust, is made of large sections called plates. These plates are always moving. Over millions of years, they might push into each other and form mountains. They also might pull away. Sometimes the plates grind past each other and cause earthquakes. And volcanoes release molten rock from deep within the planet. This rock changes Earth's surface both on land and beneath the ocean. Wind and water also wear down the landscape. They move bits of rock and soil from place to place. A friend in space. As Earth orbits the sun, the moon orbits Earth. The moon is much smaller than Earth. Its diameter is about 1/4 of Earth's diameter. Earth's moon may have once been a part of Earth itself. More than 4 billion years ago, a small planet may have crashed into Earth and knocked part of it off. The rocks and dust come together to form the moon. Earth's gravity then captured the moon and kept it in orbit ever since. But the moon's gravity affects Earth too. The moon's gravity creates tides, the daily rising and falling of the ocean. A planet called home. Earlier, you imagined what Earth would look like from far away. You thought about its place in our solar system and in our galaxy. Now, take a look around you. How many kinds of life do you see? Maybe you see trees, flowers, and grass. Maybe you see your dog wagging its tail, or an ant crawling along on the ground, or a good friend waving hello. We live on a pretty terrific planet, wouldn't you say?